How to turn off iPhone analytics and data sharing with Apple. You can stop your iPhone from sending analytics and uses data to Apple and sometimes to app developers. This improves privacy and reduces background data sharing. So here is how to do so. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the Privacy and Security button available in there. Inside Privacy and Security, scroll down and select Analytics and Improvements option available there. Once you tap on it, simply toggle off the iPhone Analytics option available at the top. And that is it. Once you do this, your iPhone stops automatically sending diagnostic and uses data to Apple or app developers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.